Precautionary measures are obviously important when performing CPR on someone because you're dealing with someone's life. Obviously, adults cannot be treated the same way as infants or children can in this case because they have very different body types because infants are much more fragile than adults, obviously. And for the demonstration of infant CPR, I will be using my mini poodle as the victim of drowning. And when you have a victim that is an infant, you want to use 2 fingers and press down 30 times on their right below in between their nipples. And after you've done that, you want to blow 2 small puffs of air from your cheeks into the infant's mouth, and then repeat for 2 minutes, and then call for help. Being that I don't have child-sized or adult-sized mannequins or dummies, I suppose a verbal demonstration would suffice. When dealing with a child, it's similar to dealing with an infant because you start the CPR right away, but instead of using 2 fingers, you use 1 hand, and you want to push 1 inch into their chest. You want to do that 30 times, and then breathe 2 breaths into their mouth, breaths like you would with an adult, as opposed to puffs of air with an infant. And then you would do that for 2 minutes, and then you would call for help. And with an adult, same thing, but you use 2 hands, and instead of going down 1 inch into their chest, you go down 2. And also, it's right around their sternum, which is pretty much in between their nipples. And with an adult, you call for help first, and then you begin administering CPR by doing 30 presses with your hands, 2 blows into their mouth, and then you keep repeating that until help arrives, which is unlike child and infant because you stop after 2 minutes.